Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. I'm going to do a quick video today to show you how we do, at least in our shop, the spikes jack lower. It's really pretty simple, but there are a couple little tips I guess that we could throw out there, and that's what we'll cover in this video. I do want to point out real quick that this is normally, or sometimes this will be a 3-color project. This customer wants it as a 2, so that simplifies your life a lot. When it comes time to do like the warthog lower, those are probably take an extra couple of hours just because of all the masking you have to do for the teeth. These teeth on this one are going to be the same color as the actual skull, so we don't have that issue with this. It's only 2 colors, so it just makes your job a whole lot easier. The lower has already been degreased, gassed, and sandblasted at 45 psi because all you're wanting to do is just scuff that anodizing. You don't want to actually go in there and take that anodizing off. So it's ready for our basically a base coat. What we're going to do is coat just the front half of this all the way around with Benelli sand. Then we'll throw it in the oven at 180 degrees, tack it out, bring it out, let it cool, and then we'll go back with black and kind of do a acetone battle worn on it, and at the same time coat the rest of the receiver in black. Those are the colors the customer wanted. So pretty easy, but we'll have some pictures and stuff at the end that'll show you what it all looks like when it's done. As usual, I'm not going to be talking anymore after this, just because it's a whole lot easier for me to just leave the camera running and jam through these. I will kind of hold it up and kind of point out some things, and then we'll add some comments later up here somewhere in the video to kind of explain any other little steps that pop into my head when I'm editing this. Other than that, that about covers it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And see us at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.